Hello students, welcome back to VK Commerce Talks. In today's session, I'll be discussing with you the PUC second year accountancy subject, a topic called admission of a partner. Now this particular topic is very important from the exam point of view. Now there are two options here. In the admission of a partner, either you can get the question for 6 marks or you can get the question for 12 marks. Now, in today's class, I'll be discussing with you the 6 marks questions on admission of a partner. Now, here in this particular concept, you get two types of problems here. One is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. That means when a new partner is admitted into the firm, so there will be change in the sharing of the profits. So here we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. When I say all the partners, I mean the old partner as well as the new partner. This is first variety or type of the problems. The second type of problem will be calculation of the sacrifice ratio. That means when a new partner is admitted into the partnership firm, the old partner sacrifice or surrender some part of their share towards the new partner. So how much they have sacrificed, that is the calculation of sacrifice ratio. So here in the 6 marks question, you get two types of problems. One is calculation of NPSR as well as calculation of sacrifice ratio. In today's session, we will solve some problems on calculation of new profit sharing ratio. In short, I'll be calling it as NPSR. As you can see the first question there. The question is, Anita and Kavita are the partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So here Anita and Kavita are the old partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. We will be calling it as old partners share or old ratio. They admitted Sunita as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits. So here Sunita is a new partner and her share in the partnership firm will be 1/5, 1/5. The question is, calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Anita, Kavita and Sunita. Let us see how to solve this. The first step what we do is, well, let us write what is given in the question. They have given the old ratio. Old ratio. Whose old ratio? Old partner's share. And what is the old ratio? It is Anita is to Kavita. And what is their share? 3:2. 3:2. Now when we say this is in the ratio, we can express this in the fraction. So 3:2 means 3 plus 2, 5. So we can also write it as 3/5 and 2/5. So the old ratio is of Anita and Kavita is 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. Who is the new partner? New partner Sunita's share is equal to 1/5, 1/5 or 1/5. So there are two information given in the problem. That is, one is old ratio and the new partner share. Using these two information, we are supposed to calculate the NPSR. Let us start how to solve this. Our first step is, let us try to calculate after giving the share to the new partner Sunita, how much is the remaining profit. So our first step will be, let us assume that let the total profit is equal to ₹1. Now why I am assuming as total profit as 1 rupee, because they are all in fractions and the highest fraction is 1. From this, less minus Sunita's share. What is Sunita's share? Minus 1/5. Now when you see this, the remaining profit will be 1 minus 1/5. How do you solve this? 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So the remaining profit will be 4 by 5. That means after giving the new partner her share, how much will be the remaining profit? 4 by 5. And to whom this 4 by 5 belongs to? This 4 by 5 belongs to our old partners, that is Anita and Sunita. Now here comes the, okay, so what is the remaining profit now? 4 by 5. To whom this 4 by 5 belongs to, students? Anita and Sunita. Now here comes the formula for calculating NPSR. The formula is NPSR, new profit sharing ratio, is equal to old ratio into remaining profit. What is the formula for NPSR now? Old ratio into remaining profit. First, Anita's new ratio or NPSR is equal to, what is Anita's old ratio? 3 by 5. Ega, if you write this information readily, it will be easy to solve, right? So here the old ratio, new profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio into remaining profit. Old partners. What is the old partners old ratio? 3 by 5 into remaining profit. Yar the remaining profit? Anita. What is the remaining profit? 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. It is simple multiplication. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So it is 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25. So Anita's new ratio ಏನತಿಗ 12 by 25. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ similarly Kavita's new ratio is equal to, Kavita's share ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ old ratio 2 by 5. So Kavita's old ratio is 2 by 5 into remaining profit common ibburgu. What is the remaining profit? 4 by 5. It is 4 by 5. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, 5 5s are 25. Okay, now the last step. ಈಗ NPSR ಅಂದಾಗ ಬರೀ old partners ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, new partner ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So NPSR is equal to Anita is to Kavita. ಮೊದಲೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೊದಲೇ ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲೇ ಸುನೀತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರು, ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಅನಿತಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನಿತಾಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ? 12 by 25. ಕವಿತಾಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ? 8 by 25. ಸುನೀತಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾಗ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸುನೀತಾಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 1 by 5. ಅದ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ 1 by 5. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅನಿತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಕವಿತಾದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 25 ಐತಿ, ರೈಟ್? ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 25, ಬಟ್ ಸುನೀತಾದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 5. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನಿತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಕವಿತಾದ ಏನು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ 5, 25 ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 5 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ, ಸುನೀತಾದ 5 ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 25 ತರಬೇಕು, 5 ನ 25 ತರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ? 5 5s are 25. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೂ 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೂ 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 12 by 25 ಹಂಗ ಉಳಿತ, 8 by 25 ಹಂಗ ಉಳಿತ, 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಮಂದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಈಗ? 12 is to 8 is to 5. So this is the final answer for the question. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? 12 is to 8 is to 5. Now if 3 step ನಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಮ್ಗೇನು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೊದಲು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ. What information they have given to you? Old ratio ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, new ratio ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Assume that the profit is 1 rupee. ಆ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಒಳಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಮಂದಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ 1 - 1/5 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 5 ಐತಿ, 5 into 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 1s are 5, 5 - 1 4/5. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. What is the formula for calculating NPSR, students? Old ratio into remaining profit. Last step. Third step, present the answer. Last step ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Okay students, let us start with the second problem. As you can see on the board, the second question: Sudeep and Sandeep are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So here the old partners are Sudeep and Sandeep and their share is, old ratio is 3:2. So let us start how to do this one. So see what is given in the question. Old ratio is given. Old ratio. Who are the old partners? Sudeep is to Sandeep. I will be writing in short here. Old ratio Sudeep is to Sandeep is equal to 3:2. How do we write 3:2? 3/5, 2/5. How we get this 5? 3 plus 2 you have to add here. They admit Dilip into partnership for 1/6 share. So the new partner share, new partner Dilip, I just represent it by D here, is equal to 1/6. So new partner share is 1/6. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So what is given to you in the question? One is old ratio and the new partner share. Remember the last problem I told you, we'll be solving this in just 2 or 3 steps here. Our first step will be calculating the remaining profit. So how do we start? Let the total profit is equal to ₹1. Why we should take as 1 rupee? Because everything is in fraction here. From this less the new partner Dilip's share. What is Dilip's share? 1/6. So remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1/6. How do we solve this? Cross we have to multiply and then we have to minus here. 6 1s are 6, 6 minus 1 5. So it is 5/6. So the remaining profit is 5/6. That is our first step. Second step, we'll apply the formula now. What is the formula? NPSR is equal to old ratio into remaining profit. Just to save the time, I am writing in short here, but in the examination, students, please remember you have to write the full spelling of this. So NPSR is equal to what? Old ratio into remaining profit. First, Sudeep's NPSR, new ratio, is equal to, what is Sudeep's old ratio? 3/5. Okay, into, what is the remaining profit? 5/6. 5/6. So how do you get this? Just multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 5s are 15 divided by 5 6s are 30. So the new ratio of Sudeep is 15/30. Similarly, Sandeep's new ratio is equal to old ratio 2/5 into remaining profit 5/6. 2 5s are 10, 5 6s are 30. Okay, similarly, Sandeep's new ratio is equal to old ratio, Sandeep's old ratio 2/5 and the remaining profit 5/6. So 2 5s are 10, 5 6s are 30. This is our second step. Third step, final step, will represent the answer, final representation. So NPSR is equal to, who are the partners now? First we had Sudeep is to Sandeep, the old partners, and the new partner who is joining now is Dilip. Sudeep's new ratio 15/30, Sandeep's new ratio 10/30, and Dilip's new ratio 1/6. Now when we are representing the final answer, see that all the denominators are same. So from this 2 are 30 here. So 6 will convert this into 30 now. So 6 5s are 30. So into 5 into 5. So the final answer will be 15/30 is to 10/30 is to 1 5s are 5. 5/30. So it will be 15 is to 10 is to 5. I think we can further simplify this. I think all the three numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are, 5 2s are, and 5 1s are. So the final answer for this problem, what is the NPSR? It is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Okay students, let's start with the next problem. Now there is a slight twist in this question now. Please read the question carefully. Ram and Rahim are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3 is to 2. What is this? Old ratio. Okay. They admit Rakshit as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profit. What is this? The new partner's share. Okay. Now please see the sentence is continued here. They admit Rakshit as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he gets equally from Ram and Rahim. Now here they have not given the, I think they have given the additional information how he is obtaining from the old partners. The question is calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Let's start. So first let us write what is given in the question. Given old ratio. Old ratio is equal to, who are the old partners? Ram is to Rahim. What is their old ratio? 3 is to 2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. Okay. Who is the new partner? New partner is Rakshit. Is equal to, what is the new partner share? 1/5. Now, see how it is given there. Rakshit is the new partner for 1/5 share in the profits, which he gets equally from Ram and Rahim. That means, how portion surrendered by Ram, the old partner. They are both the old partners are giving equally to the Rakshit. Rakshit's share is what? 1/5. So how much Ram is surrendering? Half of this 1/5. That comes to 1/10. So portion surrendered by Ram is 1/10. Similarly, portion surrendered by Rahim, half of 1/5. Now why this half I am taking? Because it is given in the sentence that Rakshit has obtained this 1/5 equally from Ram and Rahim. So 1/10. Now just students, if you want to confirm whether you have done rightly, how many old partners are surrendering? Ram has given 1/10 share to Rakshit and Rahim has given 1/10 share. Now just in the roughly 1/10 plus 1/10, if you add, you get 2/10. 2/10 is the thing, but 1/5, that is Rakshit's share. That means what we are doing is right now. Now, so what was given to us? Old ratio, the new partner share, and how much they are surrendering. How much Ram has surrendered? 1/10 and Rahim has surrendered 1/10 from their old ratio. Now slightly there will be change in the formula now. NPSR is equal to old ratio minus portion surrendered. Who is surrendering the portion? The old partners naturally. Ram. Ram's old ratio. What is the old ratio of Ram? It is 3/5 minus what is the portion surrendered? 1 by 10. So 5 and 10 common LCM, I will take it as a 10. 5 2s are 10 1s are. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 1s are 1. So 6 minus 1 it is 5 by 10. Similarly, Rahim, old ratio 2 by 5 minus portion surrendered 1 by 10. Common LCM 5 and 10 is 10. 5 2s are 10 1s are. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 1s are 1. 4 minus 1 it is 3 by 10. Now final presentation of the answer. NPSR is equal to Ram is to Rahim is to Rakshit. What is Ram's new ratio? 5 by 10. Rahim 3 by 10. And Rakshit, it is 1 by 5. If you observe, both denominators are 10 here. Now for how to make this 5 into 10? Multiply this into 2. 5 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 2 by 10. So final answer 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the NPSR. So compared to the last two problems, what is extra, what is the new thing you are finding here is, in the last two problems they just gave old ratio and the new partner share, but in this problem they are not only giving the old ratio and the new partner share, but also one additional information was given, how he is obtaining this. Okay students, moving on to the next question. Vani and Rani are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So what is this? Old ratio. Okay. They admit Mayuri as a new partner for 3/10 share, 3 by 10 share. So new partner is Mayuri, and what is her share? 3 by 10. Which she acquired 2 by 10 from Vani and 1 by 10 from Rani. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So what is given to us in this question here? First let us write given so that you get an idea of how to be solved now. First, old ratio is equal to Vani is to Rani. What is their share? 3:2. That is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay. New partner Mayuri's share. Mayuri's share. What is Mayuri's share? 3 by 10. Mayuri's share is given now. 3 by 10. Who gives Mayuri? Then actually the old partners. It is given there. Which she acquired 2 by 10. So portion surrendered by Vani, I'll just write V, is equal to portion surrendered by Vani 2 by 10, portion surrendered by Rani, it is how much? 1 by 10. Hold on students now. Here this will be a simple trick now. A twist will be there. Now just see, this is the information. I have not yet started solving the problem. I just wrote what is given in the question in a very neat way. Old ratio, Mayuri's share and portion surrendered. Student, this is a typical question. Before you apply the formula, what is the formula now? Whenever they give portion surrendered, the formula will be, we have solved in the previous problem, Ram and Rahim problem. Formula will be old ratio minus portion surrendered. But before you apply this formula, please for just 1 second, please verify whether the portion surrendered by the old partners, is it equal to the new partner share? Just in roughly. Portion surrendered by Vani, 2 by 10. Rani, 1 by 10. 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10, it is 3 by 10. And what is 3 by 10? Yes. That means the portion surrendered what they have given, it is exactly equal to the new partner share. Now you are free to directly apply the formula. Formula NPSR is equal to old ratio minus portion surrendered. Vani's new ratio is equal to old ratio 3 by 5 minus portion surrendered 2 by 10. Now 5 and 10 common LCM is 10. 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 2 it is 4 by 10. Rani, old ratio 2 by 5 minus portion surrendered 1 by 10, common LCM 10, 5 2s are 10, 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 4 minus 1, it is 3 by 10. Final presentation, NPSR is equal to Vani is to Rani is to Mayuri. Vani 4 by 10, Rani 3 by 10, Mayuri also it is 3 by 10. Now see, all the denominators are 10 only, so it is same it is. So the final answer will be 4 is to 3 is to 3. That is our NPSR. Okay. Okay students, moving on to the next question. Mark it as a very important question. Rajesh and Rakesh are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Old partners, old ratio. They admit Ramesh as a new partner. So new partner Ramesh, okay. Rajesh agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share, okay. And Rakesh agrees to surrender 1/3 of his share in favor of Ramesh, okay. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Rajesh, Rakesh and Ramesh. Why I was stressing more on this problem. What is missing in this question? The new partner's share only is missing in this question. It's something like how you have gone to marriage and there is no bride only there. Similarly like this. So let us see additional work now to calculate the new partner share. First, let us write as usual our procedure. Given old ratio is equal to Rajesh is to Rakesh. Kindly excuse me, I am just writing in short here, but in the examination please write complete name. Old ratio Rajesh is to Rakesh, ratio 3 is to 2, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. New partner Ramesh, his share is not given, we'll try to find out later. Rajesh agrees to surrender. So, portion surrendered by Rajesh is equal to, how much he is surrendering? 1/4 of his share. 1/4 of his share. What is Rajesh's share? 3 by 5. So, 3 1s are 3, 4 5s are 20. So, how much Rajesh is surrendering? 3 by 20. Directly in the previous problem, Vani and Rani problem, directly they gave you how much they surrendered, but here you are finding it out. Similarly, portion surrendered by Rakesh. How much Rakesh is surrendering? 1/3. 1/3 of his share. 2 by 5. 1 2s are 2, 3 5s are 15. So what is this 3 by 20 and 2 by 15? These are the portions surrendered by Rajesh and Rakesh. Now see, what was missing in this question? The new partner. Who is the new partner here? Ramesh. Ramesh's share only is not given. How to find out now? Very simple. Rajesh and Rakesh, the old partners, are surrendering their share. Surrendering means what? They are sacrificing their share. To whom they are giving this share? They are giving this share to the new partner. So the new partner share will be what? Portion surrendered by Rajesh and Rakesh. So Therefore, new partner, who is the new partner? Ramesh. Ramesh's share is equal to 3 by 20 portion surrendered by Rajesh and 2 by 15 portion surrendered by Rakesh. Now see, this is how to solve this now. 3 by 20 and 2 by 15 denominators are different here. Take the common LCM. The LCM should be such that it is in the tables of 20 and 15. What shall we take? If I take 20, 15 tables 20 we don't have. If I cannot take 15 also. What shall we take here? Can I take it as 300? Simple. If you don't get to know how to get this, multiply these two. Right? 20, yeah, 300 is a common number. Or simple one more way, if you are finding this so much difficult, please let us go back to our school days. How we used to find 20 and 15? School days method. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 4 1s are 4, 3, 3 1s are 3. So 5 into 4 into 3, 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So the common LCM will be 60. 23s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8. So it is 9 plus 8, it is 17 by 60. This is the new partner Ramesh's share. In all our previous problem, they used to give us the new partner share ready-made in the question. Now they have made us to put an extra effort on this. Moving on, so we got the new partner share now, but we have to also find out the new ratio of the old partners. Formula will not change. NPSR is equal to old ratio minus portion. Okay, now let us calculate the NPSR, new ratio of the old partners. Say formula remains same now. NPSR is equal to old ratio minus portion surrendered. First, Rajesh's NPSR is equal to, what is the old ratio of Rajesh? It is 3 by 5 minus, what is the portion surrendered by Rajesh? It is 3 by 20. So the common LCM will be what now? 20. Now how to find the common LCM? I have shown you one technique here, school method technique. Kindly use it now. So 5 4s are 20, 20 1s are 20, 3 4s are 12 minus, correct la? Okay, 3 1s are 3, 12 minus 3, it is 9 by 20. Similarly, Rakesh is share of 2 by 5. Rakesh's share 2 by 5 minus, how much Rakesh has surrendered? 2 by 15. 2 by 15. So 5 ಮತ್ತು 15 common LCM ಏನಾಕೈತಿ 15 ಆಕೈತಿ. 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 2 3s are 6, minus 2 1s are 2, 6 minus 2 it is 4, 4 by 15. Now final presentation of the answer. NPSR is equal to Rajesh is to Rakesh is to Ramesh. What is Rajesh's new share? 9 by 20 is to Rakesh's share 4 by 15 is to Ramesh's share. It is 17 by 60. Bhari ettu question idu. Nice problem it is. Mooru mandu denominators have come different. What are the options you have? Either make all 20 20 20. Or make all 15 15 15, or make all 60 60 60. I think it's easy to make 20 and convert 20 and 15 into 60 very easily. So what we'll do? 23s are 60. So if you're multiplying into 3 with denominator, you have to multiply with the numerator also. Coming to 15. 15 4s are 60. Into 4 into 4. Now see. 9 3s are 27. 27 by 60 is to 4 4s are 16 by 60 is to, this will remain as it is, 17 by 60. So we got all the denominators same. So what is your final answer now? It is 27 is to 16 is to 17. This is your final answer. Now why I told this problem is very important, because they have not given the new partnership. They made us to calculate the new partnerships. Okay.